Welcome, little readers. It's Miss Gisa, and it's Halloween time. Are you ready for Halloween? I have a special story for you. It's called Scary Halloween Costumes, and it's written and illustrated by Veronica Stanley Hooper. You can listen to other books by Veronica on our YouTube channel. I'll link them in the show notes, as well as her author interview. It's Halloween! Time for pumpkins, decorations, and costumes, Dad says, as he takes out the bin and boxes from the garage. Costumes, Millie and Jack shout together. Millie and Jack look through the bins and boxes for the perfect Halloween costume. Ooh, I can be a witch. I'm a banana, says Jack. That's not a good costume, Jack. Pick something scary, says Millie. I can be a worm. Worms are scary. You scream every time you see one. No. I'm a washing machine. Mommy says the laundry room is a scary place. Eek! The laundry room is scary. No, Jack. Pick something really scary, says Millie. Fire! Fire is very scary. Nope. Not the right kind of scary, Jack. A stranger? Nope. The dark? I'm scared of the dark. No, Jack. A dog? No. But everyone is scared of the neighbor's dog. You're just not scary, Jack. Jack was feeling really sad when all of a sudden, I have an idea. Boo! Ah! I scared you. Yes, you scared me, Jack. Now we are both ready for a scary Halloween. Happy Halloween, say Millie and Jack. Mom and Dad smile when they hear the neighbors say, "Oh my, such scary costumes." In the back, there's a page where you can spot the difference. Happy Halloween. Hope your season is full of creative, scary fun. Bye.
All right, let's do a fun activity now. You're going to take some dried beans. They could be white, black. This is to go along with our Halloween theme. I've got my orange little plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take rubber bands and put them around the plate in various positions. And you can make this as complex or as easy as you'd like. This kind of reminds me of Operation. Have any of you played that game where you're going to try not to touch the rubber bands? You're going to put little, now these are black, they're kind of camouflage, but little Halloween doodads in there. And make it more challenging for kiddos to pick up these objects. So I've got little acorns, leaves, and spiders. Again, if you want to use white, the spiders will show up a little bit better, but this kind of makes it more challenging for the your older crowd. So I'm going to use tweezers and just take the little objects out. You can also have the little cups so that kids can sort them as they pick them up. And I made it challenging by putting it kind of underneath these rubber bands. I want to try to challenge your older kiddos with their hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills. And pincer grasp. This really works the muscles, the small muscles in the hands and the fingers to be able to get ready for writing, because you do need to press on the pencil and have that strength and that stamina for your hand when you're writing. Join us again soon.
Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe to support our channel.